Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to make your own hang tags. Okay, we're going to start off in Canva and we're going to go ahead and go to the business cards template. Okay, first I'm going to add my logo onto the template. I'm going to put it to the correct size that I wanted and I'm going to turn it to the side. Okay, and then I'm just playing around to see what position that I want the logo to be in. And then next, I'm going to start adding in some shapes. I'm going to choose a square, and I'm just going to turn it into like a little rectangle box shape like. And then I'm going to turn it into my brand colors just to make sure it's the right color of my logo. Okay, and now I'm satisfied with the positioning, so I'm going to go ahead and save this one to my pictures, and then I'm going to go ahead and go into PicsArt and put the lettering in, the length and the texture words. That way it can have the shadow effect in the background too, kind of to make the lettering pop a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and go back to Canva, and I'm going to make the back side of my hang tag, which is just going to have my logo on it. I'm going to go ahead and delete everything off and just have my logo on the background. And I'm going to go ahead and go to Vistaprint and set it up to how you would if you were purchasing and going to print off your hang tags. This is the same way that you can use your business cards too. Like I said, Vistaprint has everything. You can create your posters, thank you cards, business cards, anything branding material. You can get it print off at Vistaprint. Okay, so what I'm doing right here, I went back to my camera roll and I actually flipped them over to the side that I want them to go. You can actually do it the other way around. It's your preference, but I rather had done it like this.